How often should my HVAC system be serviced? You should have your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system serviced at least twice a year, once in the spring for the cooling side and once in the fall for the heating side. Think of your system like your car. You wouldn't drive thousands of miles without ever changing the oil, right? Your system works the same way, running almost every single day to keep your home comfortable, and all that work causes wear and tear on the parts inside. During a spring visit, a technician checks the refrigerant levels, cleans the condenser coils, and makes sure the air conditioning part is ready for the hot months ahead. During the fall visit, they inspect the furnace, check for cracks in the heat exchanger, and make sure everything is safe before you start using heat again. Here's something most people don't know. A dirty or clogged air filter is actually the #1 reason systems break down early, and it's something you can check yourself every single month. A clean filter helps airflow properly, keeps your energy bills lower, and takes pressure off the motor so it lasts longer. One big mistake homeowners make is waiting until something breaks before calling anyone. But by then, you're usually looking at a much bigger and more expensive repair. A simple fix is to schedule those 2 visits every year so small issues get caught early. Another common misconception is thinking a bigger system always cools or heats better, when really an improperly sized unit wastes energy and wears out faster. Always have a professional calculate the right size for your home instead of guessing. People also forget to clear leaves, dirt, and debris away from the outdoor unit, which can block airflow and strain the whole system, so a quick look every few weeks goes a long way. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jobbing Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.